Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, because iMessage activation uses Apple servers. Open Settings, tap Messages, and flip iMessage on. This sends an activation request. Once done, tap Send and Receive and ensure your phone number and Apple ID email are checked. This determines where messages originate and arrive. If the phone number isn't listed, you'll proceed to recheck network and Apple ID settings before moving to the core steps. To convert a conversation, open the thread and look at bubble color. Blue equals iMessage, green is SMS. If a recipient uses iMessage but bubbles stay green, try toggling airplane mode briefly or force closing messages, then reopen the thread. Make sure both you and the recipient have iMessage enabled and are reachable at their Apple ID or phone number. Once you've retried delivery, a blue bubble indicates success. If issues persist, restart the phone. Then sign out and back into your Apple ID to refresh iMessage. Finish by sending a test message. Successful iMessage delivery shows a blue bubble and a delivered receipt. If messages still send as SMS, go to Settings General Reset Network Settings. This clears stale network data that can block iMessage activation. Also, make sure date and time is set to automatic. Apple rejects activations with incorrect time. If problems remain after these steps, try signing out of Apple ID in Messages and signing back in. Then wait a few minutes for activation to complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.